Welcome to the Qtoys Premium Partner Training Kit. Nurturing young minds through meaningful play. This is your Ambassador's Handbook, designed to help you confidently represent the Qtoys brand and share our mission with your customers. Born in Melbourne, designed by educators, Qtoys is not a faceless corporation. Founded in Melbourne in 2005, we are an Australian-owned family business led by an educator. Our founders crafted Qtoys as a play-based alternative to formal schooling, believing that children learn best when they are having fun. Our mission is simple: to nurture young minds through meaningful play. We value connection to nature and self-guided learning. Qtoys is about more than fun. Take this ball run as an example. It teaches cause and effect, hand-eye coordination, and early problem solving, all through simple, natural play. The philosophy behind every Qtoys product is play with purpose. Qtoys bridges the gap between open-ended imaginative exploration and structured cognitive skills. Our products are Montessori and Steiner friendly. They use natural materials and simple forms to teach complex ideas. Skill building is intentional. Puzzles build reasoning. Play sets foster independence, such as learning towers. The result? Children practice pattern recognition, numeracy, and creativity, without even realizing they are learning. This is the Qtoys difference. Handcrafted, each piece is carefully made with attention to detail, ensuring quality you can see and feel. Eco-friendly, we use sustainably sourced timber and environmentally responsible production practices. Non-toxic, our products are finished with food-grade dyes, natural beeswax, and carry the Q-Safe label, giving parents complete peace of mind. Australian brand, proudly founded in Melbourne, Qtoys represents trusted Australian design and educational values. Beautifully made and built to last for generations. It's not an expense, it's an investment. Qtoys is a premium brand, and here's how to justify its value. First, heirloom quality. Our products are built to last for generations, unlike disposable plastic. Over time, the cost per use decreases across years of play. Second, safety standards. We exceed ASTM, EN71, and NZS standards. Parents are paying for peace of mind. Third, educational return on investment. Every design is passionately researched by educators. As we say, when you bring Qtoys into your home, you invest in your child's development and the future they inherit. Who is the Qtoys customer? First, the eco-conscious parent. They value sustainability and love natural or unpainted finishes. Suggested products include bamboo scoops and the farm puppet set. Next, the Montessori educator. They look for practical life skills and hands-on learning. Recommend tracing boards, cleaning sets, and learning towers. Then, the STEM parent. They focus on logic and math development. Suggested products include the Tower of Hanoi, the screw game, and building blocks. And finally, the grandparent. They want a legacy gift that won't break. Dollhouses and railway sets are perfect heirloom options. Understanding your customer helps you recommend the right product with confidence. Here are our recommendations by age and stage. From 0 to 1 year, the focus is sensory and motor development. Baby gyms, rattles, and object permanence toys such as the ball drop help build early awareness and movement skills. From 1 to 2 years, coordination becomes key. Stacking toys, shape sorters, and early puzzles support hand-eye coordination and problem solving. From 2 to 3 years, children begin to pretend and count. Play food, kitchen sets, counting boards, and more complex puzzles encourage imagination and early numeracy. From 3 to 5 years, development expands into social skills and logic. Cooperative games, art easels, and story-based sets foster creativity and collaboration. And for 5 years and up, the focus shifts to STEM. Advanced logic puzzles, science kits, and group games challenge critical thinking and deeper problem-solving skills. Matching products to developmental stages ensures the right play experience at the right time. And great selling starts with the right conversation. Begin with a simple question: are you shopping for something special? How old is the child? This helps you guide them quickly and confidently. Emphasize durability. These pieces are built to last and often become family heirlooms. They handle rough play better than plastic. Highlight the learning value. Kids think they're just having fun, but they're building real problem-solving skills. And if price comes up, gently reframe it. It's not an expense, it's an investment. Because Qtoys last for years, families save money over time while supporting their child's development. Merchandising drives conversion. Create an infant corner for 0 to 12 months. Use storytelling. Set a scene, like a tea party. Encourage touch and feel. Place products at eye level. Unbox a demo unit. Kids try, adults buy. Here are 4 key strategies. 1. Group by theme or age. Create zones and use signage to explain benefits, such as fine motor skills. 2. Touch and feel. Interactive displays sell themselves. 3. Storytelling. Create a vignette. Help customers imagine the play experience. 4. Levels. Place key items at eye level for the target, low for kids, high for parents. Completing the set increases value and customer satisfaction. Encourage customers to build a complete activity kit. Create a creative corner. Suggest gift bundles, such as the Baby Deluxe set for baby showers. At the register, recommend add-ons like spare balls, extra beads, or accessories. Use simple scripts like, add the matching stacking rings, it's only $15 more, and gives your child an extra way to play with this set. Qtoys is loved by parents and educators alike. Families consistently highlight the quality, durability, and open-ended design of our products. From Montessori practical life sets to toys that children of different ages can enjoy together, Qtoys becomes a lasting part of the play space. With an average 4.9 out of 5-star rating, customer satisfaction remains exceptionally high. High satisfaction means low returns and strong customer loyalty. At Qtoys, partnership doesn't stop at supplying products, it's ongoing support. We provide training materials, product sheets, and usage guides so your team feels confident on the shop floor. We collaborate on marketing too, from social media features to seasonal promotions, helping drive traffic to your store. We actively listen to your feedback, especially around bestsellers and new product needs, because your insight shapes our growth. And of course, we offer wholesale perks, exclusive deals, stock rewards, and referral promotions to help you grow sustainably. When you grow, we grow. Here's a simple daily checklist to guide every sales conversation. Start by highlighting the craft. Remind customers that our toys are handmade and eco-friendly. Next, explain the purpose. Frame each toy as a learning tool, not just something to play with. Encourage interaction. Let customers feel the smooth wood finish, the quality speaks for itself. If price comes up, confidently share the heirloom quality message. And finally, complete the sale by suggesting a bundle or complimentary add-on. Small steps, done consistently, lead to stronger sales every day. For over 2 decades, Qtoys has been engineering children's dreams through meaningful play. We're more than a supplier, we're your long-term partner. Together, we can spark joyful learning in every child's playroom.